The Beatles' Strangest song took 4 years to finish and had a Rolling Stone in it. The untold story of You Know My Name, Look Up the Number. It's not a hit, it barely has a melody. But for the Beatles, this song was their weirdest, longest-running inside joke, and it featured a Rolling Stone on sax. This is the story of You Know My Name, Look Up the Number, the strangest Beatles song you have probably never heard. Part 1, the start in 1967. John shows up with one lyric and no plan. Paul joins him, and they start doing fake nightclub lounge characters. The entire thing is a joke, but they record 14 minutes of chaos. The Beatles were at their psychedelic peak, and instead of writing another A Day in the Life, they were doing British waiter impressions. Part 2, enter Brian Jones. John invites Brian Jones of the Rolling Stones to join. He plays a chaotic sax solo, and it's one of his last known recordings before his death in 1969. It's one of the rare Beatles tracks with a Rolling Stone on it, and Brian Jones is completely uncredited. Part 3, the lost years. Tapes were shelved, then rediscovered. In 1969, John wanted to release it as a Plastic Ono Band single. EMI refused. It was too weird. Instead, it became the B-side to Let It Be, a total tonal mismatch. Fans expecting Let It Be got a comedy skit with fake French waiters. Some were confused, some were obsessed. Why it still matters. It's one of the last moments of John and Paul collaborating joyfully. They're laughing, doing voices, improvising, something rarely heard during the breakup years. Paul later said, "It was one of our favorite sessions ever. The song that refused to die. It was a joke, it was a mess, but You Know My Name is pure Beatles. Weird, fearless, and fun. And it took 4 years to reach your ears. Heard it yet? You might laugh, you might skip it, but you won't forget it."